Okay, in this situation what we're going to do is we're going to sketch a modulus function. And in this one it's quite a complicated looking one, okay? So first of all, before we begin, what I'd like to point out is that if I had this function, so 3 minus 2 lots of x plus 1 all squared, okay, this is a parabola with vertex minus 1, 3. Now, when I'm sketching this modulus function, it is a very similar situation where the vertex is at minus 1, 3. Okay, so whenever you've got one of these situations, you can immediately say exactly where the vertex is. Now, because we have a negative in front of the modulus sign, in front of the x, effectively, that means it's going to be a sad face, much like a parabola would have been. Okay? So that means it is going downwards. Okay? Now I need to make sure I know where it is crossing the y-axis, or the f-axis in this case, f of x. So that is when x equals 0. So I'm going to substitute in 0, and I'm going to get 3 take away 2 lots of 0 plus 1. Now 0 plus 1 is 1, minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, so 3 take away 2 is just 1. Okay, so it is crossing the y-axis, or the f-axis, at 1. And so it will look something like this. Oh, sorry, there. My mistake. Let's get rid of that. So I now need to find where the graph is crossing the x-axis, okay, and that is when y equals 0. So how I do that is I say, well, 0 is equal to 3 take away 2 lots of x plus 1. Okay, so I'm going to solve this equation, which gets me 0 is equal to 3 take away 2x minus 2. So 0 is equal to 1 take away 2x. So x is equal to 1/2. So this point is 1/2. And I also solve the equation 0 is equal to 3 plus 2x plus 1. So 0 is equal to 3 plus 2x plus 2. So 0 is equal to 5 plus 2x. So x is equal to minus 5/2. So this point is minus 5/2. Okay? And that has sketched this curve. So I first found out where the vertex was, okay, using my knowledge from quadratics, okay, using completing the square form. I substituted in x is 0 to work out where it crosses the y-axis, and then I substituted in f of x is equal to 0 into both cases of the modulus sign where it is positive or negative.